To find your vocal range, you want to start by doing a lip trill just to warm up your voice. So start low to high, and you'll find that it stretches even higher and even lower. Once you do that for about a minute or two, then I want you to find your lowest note either on a piano or another instrument. So I'm going to hum down and find that note. Ah. So my lowest note is a D below middle C. Now you're going to do the same thing to the top. So you want to glide all the way up, and where your voice stops at the top and you can hold a note is your top note. Ah. So that is a B flat. So my range would be a D below middle C to a B flat 2 octaves up.